Hello everybody! The Master T1 is talking! Yeah, that didn't work too well. Alright, I'm going to play Slender. This time it's going to be windowed, so I see if it works or not. Alright, it's working. Alright, I'm going to make it full screen, and I better not be talking to myself for 10 minutes like I did earlier after the tutorial video on how to download it. So, this is how you do. I have to check if it's recording. Yes, it's recording. Thank God. Okay, I'm going to play some Slender. The 8 pages. Collect all 8 pages. Earlier I got 4 pages and I beat my all-time record of 3 pages. So, I don't mean to brag, but that's awesome. That's so awesome. Yeah, and alright, so I don't have to worry about anything before I get a page because, well, oh yeah, because if I don't get a page, then Slenderman won't chase me. But if I do get a page, he'll start chasing me like there's no tomorrow. And this guy, like when he walks, he's slower than like a 152-year-old with arthritis. He walks slower than that. And then when he sprints, he walks normally. Like, what's up with that, man? Like in Slendytubbies, another version of Slender, they walk like they're running in like a sprint or something. Usain Bolt or something. And so, and like look, he's just, and then after like 2 minutes, no, 10 seconds of hardcore sprinting action, after like 10 seconds of hardcore sprinting action, like I said that, right, he dies. Like, watch. After like 10 seconds. Oops. Okay, maybe make that 15 seconds. Okay, well, anyways, if you sprint for like half a minute, like 30 seconds, he'll run out of breath and die. Well, he won't die, but he'll just run out of breath and he'll be like, he seriously breathes like that, like he just ran 50 kilometers. Like, non-stop. And, yeah, that's how he acts like. And this guy might have, like, asthma or, like, maybe obese or something. I don't know. But all I know is that he can't run very far. And look, I have found a page. It says, follows trees. He likes trees. Aww. Tree hugger. And now the thunder's gonna start, and I'm gonna die. That sucks. I don't even. Right, just hold. I need to check.